morning. Today we are going to see our last chapter from the syllabus, Bioinorganic Chemistry. Metal ions play a vital role in numerous widely differing biological processes. Majority of chemical elements are found in minute quantities in human body. Their concentration in the body depends upon their concentration in our diet, particularly food, soil, and in the atmosphere. Some of these elements have been termed as essential or beneficial for the healthy growth of human being. They are present in various organs of our body fluids. About 30 elements are currently accepted as being necessary for healthy human life. Some others are in trace or ultra trace quantities in our body. For example, HCNO are present in bulk in the few, that is living organisms. Sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, molybdenum, manganese, iron, cobalt, copper, zinc, and iodine are in trace quantities, while silicon, vanadium, chromium, selenium, bromine, tin, fluorine, tungsten, lithium, boron, nickel, arsenic are present in ultra trace quantities in our body. As expected, all these elements are found in the same in some abundance in the earth crust or in seawater. We see their abundance percentage in the earth crust and in the ocean. See this table here. In earth crust, oxygen, silicon, aluminum, Fe, calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, titanium, hydrogen, boron. They are present in the particularly descending abundance. When we consider in the ocean, see oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, sodium, magnesium, calcium, potassium, carbon, boron, bromium, boron, francium, they are present in the descending abundance. And in human body, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, sulfur, and chlorine, they are present in human body with the descending abundance in this table. It is seen from the above table that crustal abundance, that is abundance in the earth crust of aluminum and silicon is high, but these elements are not abundant in human beings or in mammals in general. Some elements, for example, copper and selenium, are in trace amounts really, but plays a vital role in few. All the three groups of metals. Group first, metals in bulk quantities. Group 2, metals in trace quantities. And group third, metals in ultra trace quantities. In vivo, as mentioned above, they are required for the healthy growth, and particularly they have a cycle equivalent to the nitrogen cycle or carbon cycle, which we have familiar for that cycles. Like that, they can play a very important role in our body. Role of metals in bioinorganic compounds. The basic elements of biochemistry, that is hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, make up for 99% of the atoms in human body, mainly as water, protein and fat. Other non-metals exist as and ions in the biological fluids. The total metallic component of our body is composed almost entirely of the main group metals, including sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium. The trace metals of the transition series are essential. Trace elements usually weigh less than 10 grams in it. It is essential to understand the function of the elements in relation to their biological environments. See in the figure, these elements are present first in the extracellular fluid and on outer face of cell membranes. These elements are present. Second, in cell walls, the membranes that define the boundaries of cell and control the entry and exit of the material, where these elements plays very important role. Third, inside cells, starting from the inner surface of the membrane in the aqueous phase known as cytoplasmic fluid. Fourth, in the organelles, cell components inside cells, including nuclei and mitochondria. One of the major role played by metallic element in biochemistry is in metalloenzymes. The term metalloenzyme is applied to enzymes that not only require the participation of a metal ion at the active site to function, but bind that metal ion strongly. Several hundreds metalloenzymes are known today. They are involved in acid catalyzed hydrolysis, hydrolase, redox reaction, oxidase and oxygenase. Metalloenzymes may be considered as a subclass of the metalloproteins, protein which include one or more metal atoms as a normal part of their structure. It includes not only enzymes but respiratory problems like hemoglobin and myoglobin, electron transport protein. Such as cytochromes and pyridoxine and metal storage protein. Thus, bioinorganic chemistry is a branch of natural philosophy, the aim of which are to understand the chemistry of reactions involving the essential metals and other trace elements in vivo. In short, biochemistry is much inorganic chemistry as organic chemistry.